Snoppa Vmate is a light, compact, and high-performance smart camera integrated with a micro 3-axis stabling system. The amazing palm-sized body allows that you can easily carry it anywhere, capturing great moments at any time. Vmate integrates Snoppa's newly designed micro 3-axis stabling system, which can effectively eliminate shakes and jitters when handheld filming during movements, giving you an incomparable high quality and smooth video. Vmate is equipped with a 4K camera, which utilizes a 12 million pixel sensor and a high-definition wide lens of 81 degrees with the latest high-performance and low-energy image processor. The video resolution can be up to 4K, 60 frames per second. Unlike the ordinary gimbals, Vmate is palm-sized and weighs only 118 grams. It won't make you tired during your journey. Vmate is your best filming assistant in travel, party, interview, or live streaming. Vmate is equipped with a 1.22-inch touchscreen with high brightness up to 850 nit, allowing you to frame clearly even under bright sun. The touchscreen allows you to set controls and change the configuration with a finger touch. The camera head on Vmate can rotate by 90 degrees. You can switch between horizontal and vertical shot in a flick. If you want a better preview on a larger screen, you can use a mobile phone together. Vmate built in a Wi-Fi module, allowing to connect to a mobile phone. With the dedicated app, you can do wirelessly preview and remote control the Vmate. The Wi-Fi module also allows to wirelessly synchronize the files from Vmate to your phone anytime and anywhere. The provided carrying case is not only for protection purpose, but also a foldable phone holder to which you can attach a phone for more comfortable grab. A good video always comes with good audio. Vmate has a dual microphone system, providing 2 audio recording modes of noise reduction and stereo. You can select the mode that best fits your needs. Vmate has a built-in Bluetooth module. Aside from the built-in mic system, it is also possible to use any Bluetooth microphone, making the audio recording much easier. Broadcaster mode lets you spend less time editing. Now, selfie camera and gimbal are both recording at the same time. Show the scenery and give comments at the same time. Up to 8 times slow motion lets you stop time and watch cool action in details. The POV mode allows the gimbal to follow all your movements and recording first-person view footage. Time-lapse, motion-lapse, hyper-lapse allows you to squeeze a long period of beautiful time into a short clip. Night shot makes the dark night clear and colorful. Expand the view on your photo by shooting a 3x3 or a horizontal series of photos and stitch them together. Smart tracking automatically keeps your target centered in the frame.
Welcome to Taipei.
Wow.
I'm gonna tune back in once we get back down.
That right there, folks, is how it's done.
Meet Keychain, a compact, stabilizing camera that allows you to create cinematic videos you can use every day in any situation. You can be hands-free at a birthday party, vlog, or document everyday life. Unleash your creativity with hands-free cinematography. Versatility at your fingertips. Options of accessories to release your hands and explode your unlimited inspiration perfectly. Keychain puts the power of 4K in your hands, allowing you to capture non-stop memorable videos anytime, anywhere. Love the view? Take a time-lapse. Or capture your viewer's attention with slow motion. Say goodbye to shaky video with camera stabilization. The options are endless. The only limits are your creativity. You can access your content at any time, edit your footage, and share it with friends and family from the palm of your hand. AKASO. Go beyond. Back us today.
What are you doing?
I want to go to the coffee shop.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.